All right, Torque Monster 09 riding around having a good time. Watch out, this guy is all over the place. That guy's all over the place, and we just died. This guy is all over the place. That guy's all over the place, and we just died. Holy crap. What? All right. So what do you think this person could have done? What do you think this person... Nothing. I'm going to tell you this right now. Absolutely nothing. Class, we're trying our best. Trying our best to figure this out and like, you know, avoid collisions. But what are we going to do here? So we're going to be going around this corner, just, you know, doing our normal thing, looking down maybe a little bit. Then we got this dum-dum going wide. Now, we see a lot of motorcycle riders doing this, and then they're getting creamed by a car because they went wide. So why do you think this car went wide? This car went wide because it's speeding. Stop speeding. Holy crap. So car drivers, come on. Motorcycle riders, come on. Here we go. We're moving through here. We're going to turn left at this spot. And so did that guy. We're going to go and swerve. Great swerve. He was not going to be able to stop in time. He tried to do it, right, Brent? Didn't work out too well. Didn't work out too well. Actually, it did work out. What am I saying? What am I saying? It worked out really well. Man, it's got to be the end of the week. Got to be the end of the week, man. So we're going through here. This person's slowing down too. We're going to go ahead and move in here. That was a last second swerve. There was no braking. This person's an idiot in the vehicle up here. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? We're going to try to brake. We're going to find out we don't have enough stopping distance right here. But we do have an escape route. So how about we turn left? Hey, well, he's already doing it. Good job. So this is a red stage maneuver. You have to get yourself out of here. You have to do something or you're going to crash. If you don't do anything, it's a brown stage. You literally knew you're supposed to do something, but you didn't do the right thing or you didn't do anything at all. Red stage, you have to. There's nothing out there that will save your life or save you from a crash other than you in a red stage maneuver. You have to do something. You have to do something. You can't wait for somebody else to do something. You can't wait for this car to turn over here. That's why I say horns aren't red stage maneuvers, because if you use the horn, you're hoping they're going to move out of the way. Rev bombing, you're hoping they're going to move out of the way. Red stage, you have to do something. You have to do something. And he did. He swerved. He saved his own skin. And this is what I want the crew to do. So class, I want you to be paying attention to this. Hit that like button to sign in. Grab a donut. I think I'm going to go into dad mode today, Nikki. I'm going to go into dad mode. I'm going to tell these people what's up. All right? Where's your gear? Where's your gear, buddy? You're not allowed to leave the house. Put on some gear. Stop showing so much skin. Here we go. Wait for it. All right, we're waiting. And that's why. Let's see what damage you have to your hand and your right knee. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Let's look at your palms. See how much gravel's in them. Yeah, let's take off before anybody sees us. It's kind of embarrassing. You see him picking that stuff out of his knee? All right, little kid, little guy. Wear some gear, everybody, because if you do crash, you're going to be putting your hands out, and you're going to be hitting your knees, and then hitting your head, and hitting your side. You're going to hit everything. So what happened here? Looks like a loss of traction on the front end. And why did we lose traction? Look at his right hand. Oh, wait, maybe not. Let's see. There's the right hand. Squeeze hard. And lost traction. So who here rides dirt bikes? Who here has ridden off-road? Who here does that? Are you supposed to use the front brake a lot on dirt, or are you supposed to use more so the rear brake? Let me know in the comments, because I think front brake is a terrible decision, especially that smashing of a hardness, whatever that means. Because that's what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen. Watch him pick out the stuff out of his knees. He's got some rocks in his knees. Watch, he's going to pick it out right here. Yeah. Oh. All right. Are you serious? That whole guitar solo for that?
Holy.
The whole thing for that. Rickle pick. We're okay. All right. All right. Nothing better to do today. Oh.
Oh, well, that happens.
That just happens. You're gonna talk crap to people in a shop,
Oh, well, that happens.
and you're gonna blow out your engine. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Riding around nowhere. Oh, never mind. We are riding. Woo-wee. That's a lot of fun. That's a definite way to get the business owner not to let you use their parking lot ever again. Spewing rubber everywhere. Melting the rubber into the parking spot. That's always something a business owner wants. I'm just glad nobody's hurt, but I also don't like damaging other people's property. Spike Smith, cell phone. Uh-oh, we're the cops. We got to let them know. San Francisco. Let them know. Let them know. You're the cops. You can do it. Yeah, say something about it. Okay, here we go. Watch this. What? Okay, let's see what they're going to do. Let's see what they're going to do. What's going to happen? Are they going to say something to you? Okay, let's see what happens, everybody. Oh, we just raced him. Okay, is that a Prius up ahead? That is a Prius. We raced him. We're doing a good job. We got in front of him all the way to the next stoplight. We won this round. We're in the bike lane over there. That person is not liking that you won. It's a sore loser. What a sore loser. All right, who's going to make it to the next light? They made it to the next light. You lost. Let's see what happens. Yeah, you're stuck in the lower lane. We're going to beat you to the next one. That was a tie for that lane. Or that light. Okay, we're going to make the next light. Who's going to make it? Go, 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 go. You're going to win. You're going to win. You're going to win. You're going to win. What? Why are you slowing down? There's the light right there. Go, 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 go. Go, go. She's going to beat you. All right, what's the prize? What did we win? What did we win? Oh, nothing. Okay. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.